Hello guys, it's Aslam again. We are going to do practice on the mini roundabout. That's a mini roundabout which is 3 white are on the floor and a white paint and red circle there same as well. So we're going to do practice on the first exit. So here let's say just imagine that's your cars up here. So we're using earlier MSPSA routine. Carry on straight and look on the roundabout on the right side. So make sure the right side is no any car up here. So it's a safe cab. We're looking for safe cab and look on the right side same as well. Not turning that right or any comes in front of you. So we need to make sure there's a safe cab there. Same center mirror, left indicate and carry on. Follow as a same as a curve. Follow as a curve. So once it's safe, you could carry on as a normal and middle of your lane and carry on smooth. And soon your car is straight. Check the mirrors, cancel indicate and progress as a speed limit. I will show you the practical same as well. Alright guys, this time we're going to do the first exit mini roundabout. You can see the warning sign on the roundabout warning sign on the left side here, zebra crossing here, and try to find out look the mini roundabout sign which is blue background white arrows. We're heading turning left, first exit class turn left. So MSPSA routine center mirror, left indicate. Look on the oncoming the red car or right side any car. If there's no car there, just carry on as a smooth, as a normal, and soon your car straight. Check the mirrors, cancel indicate and carry on. Hello guys, it's Aslam again. Today we are going to learn mini roundabout. Class straight ahead, which is the 12 o'clock exit and second exit. So that's your car. And before approaching the mini roundabout, try to find out first the blue sign, mini roundabout sign, which is the blue background and 3 white are on there. Soon you see the blue sign. That means we're approaching mini roundabout. We're using always MSPSA routine. But if you're going to straight ahead and the mini roundabout, do not apply any indicate but use the MSPSA routine. The mini roundabout, because it's a limited space, that's why we're not using any indicate. Is not enough space. So we're looking on the oncoming vehicles and the left side same as once find the safe cab, just without indicate, just look on the roundabout, but try to do not go on the white paint. You could carry on the arrow, but do not go on the white paint. So then without indicate, just carry on straight over, slowly drive. I will show you as a practical same as well. Straight over without indicate and carry on as a smooth, as a speed limit, as a normal. So let's go to show you as a practical same as well. Right guys, now we are going to do again a mini roundabout. This time is a straight ahead, class is straight ahead, which is the second exit and 12 o'clock exit. So we're calling straight ahead, class is straight ahead. So again, check your warning signs, any roundabout. You scan all signs, road signs, and find out the blue sign mini roundabout. So it's straight ahead. We don't do anything else, just check the mirrors and speed, slow down, look routine, look right, left, do not apply any indicate, and just follow the arrow on the arrow and keep drive as a normal, middle of your lane, and progress is smooth. Right guys, this time we're heading now first exit, a mini roundabout, straight ahead. So we're not looking for first or second, we're looking for clock face straight ahead. So it's a mini roundabout, blue sign is there, give a warning sign there. So we're looking on the right and oncoming vehicle, do not apply any indicate. The cars are far away, so we can carry on as a smooth, as a normal, progress as a speed limit, and check the mirror and carry on. Hello guys, it's Aslam again. Now we are going to do now mini roundabout, which is class turn right. Here is showing me the second exit. So that's your car. We're not going to straight ahead. We're going to turn right, which is second exit, class turn right. Before approaching the roundabout, we must look at the blue sign there, any mini roundabout. And we're using the MSPSA routine and looking the oncoming vehicles, the right side, or any cars coming that side, going to turn left or going to turn right. So we're using MSPSA routine and carry on slower. If it's a safe cab, go round of the white page. You could carry on the white like arrow on there, but try to do not go on the white page, white paint. So now MSP is a center mirror, right, indicate, go same as the arrow. This one wants to save. Once you reach up here, that's the class like the second exit, like the first exit. That's your positions car, this position. Try to cancel indicate, and without indicate, after do not apply any indicate, just cancel indicate and carry on as a normal, as a smooth. Reason we cancel indicate, because here's a limited space, is not really space enough. So that's why mini roundabout you don't need to apply left indicate and carry on, progress smooth. So let's go. Let me show you the practicalism as well. So let's go to do the mini roundabout, class turn right, second exit. Right, you can see now is a mini roundabout, blue sign is there. Now MSPSA routine, center mirror, right indicate, star look routine. Look on the right, do not go on the white page. Look at the blue white arrow on the floor. You can go through from there, right, left side, make sure there's nobody there. Go up there and check mirror, cancel indicate and carry on. Right guys, this time we're heading now second exit, which is class turn right exit at the mini roundabout. Before approaching roundabout, we look in the mini roundabout, blue sign. Now MSPSA routine, center mirror, right indicate. Look on the right on the roundabout. There's no car there. Do not go on the white page. Soon cross level of the first exit, cancel indicate and progress as a speed limit. Hello guys, we are going to do now mini roundabout, class turn right, which is third exit. So just pretend that's your car. Before approaching mini roundabout, try to find out the blue sign, roundabout sign, which is blue background and 3 white arrows on there. And if it's that mistake, you can see on the floor same as well as to go paint there, solid paint and 3 white arrow on the floor same as well. That means we are approaching the mini roundabout. Now we're using always MSPSA routine. So that's your car. Carry on straight over, center mirror, right indicate, and slow just like here, and look on the right. Any cars coming right side, pedestrian, cyclists, onward come from there, we need to give them way. Soon as it's safe to do so, carry on with the right indicate, but try to do not go to white paint, solid paint. You could carry on the white arrow, but please do not go on to white paint. Just a little bit slow right. Soon level of the second exit, cancel indicate and progress as a smooth third exit, or even third or even a second exit, class turn right. So because it's a limited space, that's why we're not applying the any indicate when leaving the roundabout as a mini roundabout. Right, let me show you the how going to car. That's your car. So can you see now? We're going to move now. So it's moving the car that side, left side, right side's blue car there. And looking safe cab. Soon is a safe cab with right indicate. Carry on round of the roundabout and cancel indicate and progress as a smooth as a normal speed limit. Let me show you practically same as well. Right guys, now we are going to do the mini roundabout again, which is class turn right, which is class turn right, but is a third exit now at the moment. try to find out and scan the all road signs, and try to find out the mini roundabout sign same as well, which is a blue background and 3 white are also. So we can see there's a blue sign is there, mini roundabout. So we're going to do start MSPSL routine, center middle right indicate. We look in the white cars coming onward and look the right side same as well on the roundabout. There's no car there, so we can go carry on the arrows. Soon level of the second exit, apply the cancel the indicate and progress as a smooth normal your lane. Thanks for watching.